Jack Wisniewski. I'm a team bath racing student, member of the team. My role in the team is hydraulics lead. I'm developing a system for gift shift and clutch. And I'm here to talk to you about the new oscilloscope we got from RS. We used to have to use this Audi CRT. It did a great job so far, but isn't up to scratch anymore. And thanks to RS, we've got this new digital colour display oscilloscope. It's got a lot more functions. It allows us to actually capture data rather than using a ruler and trying to measure it off the screen. So that's superb. I only had a very short session with it today morning, so I've not explored all the functionality of it, but it's got a lot, and it's really easy to use, really easy to set up. It was super quick, took half an hour to run the test I wanted to do, and showed everything I needed to. So this scope is going to be used for a large variety of different functions. Today morning we've been measuring a sensor for the camshaft position we're trying to implement on our engine. Later on we'll be doing tests on flow, on our cooling system. I'm also planning to use it extensively in hydraulics, trying to ensure that we've got the correct control, and for that we'll need to measure at very high frequency. So that's what the scope is going to be used for this year. I'm sure there will be plenty more next year.
Thank you, RS!